Hello, in this video I will show you how to fix fan PWM, which means pulse width modulation, for cooling fan RPM control on GT2560 board for 3D printers. You can see that the fan not turning, even if it's set to 100%. Here you can see the connection of GT2560, but the only way that your fan works is to connect negative wire to the center pin and positive wire to signal, as you can see there. But in my case there is no power. Let's fix it now. Turn off the switch and disconnect all power source, even USB cable. Then unplug all the connectors from the board so you can remove it. I mark all the connectors so assembling will be easy job. That plastic pins is a bit annoying to remove the board. Just take time, don't make any force. So this is the GT2560 board, and this is the little transistor which opening power to the cooling fan, as called PWM controller. We can check the connection with the instrument and see that the negative center pin is going from transistor to control and positive is normal 12 volts like on all other fan connectors. There also can see that the top pin is positive and not signal as the wiring manuals say. On eBay I bought 20 SMD 2306 transistors for about $3. You can see that they can hold max 3.5 amps and 30 volts. This transistor in SOT23 housing is really small. Now remove the transistor. I don't got tools from Sedej soldering, but that transistor can be changed with basic soldering iron. Scratch off the flux switch stay on the board. Sorry for the focus. Then solder new transistor back on its place. It's not as nice as it must be in my case, but it's totally functional and that matters. We can try the board now. Connect only USB cable to a PC, fan and 12 volt power source. So, I got board, plug on USB, power source and a cooling fan. Connect with the repeater host and then try turn on the fan. Then increase the power until fan start working again. See, in first try. Also the RPM regulation worked like it must. Now the board is ready to mount back on the printer and start making new things. I will solder a better connector to fan cable to avoid short circuits. That's it. Hope you liked the video. Like, share and subscribe and see you next time. Oh, and you can check my other channels.